channel. It is Joy Bell back with another video, and today I'm doing a video over the infamous knotless box braids. These braids are the way, the truth, and the light. Y'all, this is one of the most tension-free, most beautiful styles I've ever done on my hair, and I want every person that has natural hair to get these ASAP, no rocky. So without further ado, let's get into the video. A little over a fourth of my hair done because I have it split into 4 quadrants, and that's how I'm working with it to do this style. For this style, as always, I want to show y'all the products that I'm using. So I'm using a rat tail comb, and I highly recommend that you get one of these if you don't have one, because this is going to help make your parts perfect. Like, this is A1. I'm so sad that it's taken me this long to get on the wave. The next product that I'm using is a conditioning gel. I usually am a Shine and Jam girl, but I decided to try something different because A was on sale and I went to Sally's and they didn't have Shine and Jam. And so I am using the Elasta QP, olive oil and mango butter glaze, and this stuff is amazing. I love these products in my hair. They make my hair so soft and so manageable. So if you ever want to try out this line, I recommend it. This is some great conditioning gel, and it was only $1.71, so that's a great deal. And then I'm also using my trusty shea butter. So those are the products I'm using in my hair. I did do a whole routine on my hair before I started the braids. That video should be up before you see this one. Okay, so now I'm going to part my hair. I'm trying to match it up to this side, so this next section is going to be like this, and I only have 2 braids at the top. And at first I'll just make a rough cut, so I'll just go in with my fingers and just go across what I think it should look like. Obviously this won't be straight because I'm using my fingers right now, but that's basically the gist of what I'm trying to do. So then I'll get my comb and clean up the part.
I'm trying to match it as best as I can.
There's a part. Tuck it away. And to define it and make sure that no hairs make their way anywhere they shouldn't, I'm going to put edge control all over this. And if you don't do this, you should start. You're good to go, sister. Part out our boxes. And that's how this should look. We have our piece of hair right here, and as always we grab some of our conditioning gel and we smooth it on the root of the braid, and then we make sure everything's out of the way, and we split our hair into 3 sections. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and we begin the braid. Start braiding it like so. And then as you've done 2, you'll grab a piece of hair and you'll add it underneath. I like the underneath method the most. You can do whatever method works for you, but for my tutorial, we're going to be adding underneath. And then we'll take our next color, and it's this blonde, and we'll also add it underneath. Take this and bring it to the side and start braiding this way. And then we'll add our final piece And this will be the point where I'll add some conditioning gel to the part of the braid. Just one shot right here. Braiding this all the way down to then add the curly piece in at the end. And now I'm braiding in the little curly piece. This is what it looks like all the way down. This is kind of the look that I'm going for. Like some of them are braided all the way down with no curly piece, and then some of them are braided down with curly pieces. So we'll continue on to the next braid. Okay y'all, so I am almost finished with my hair. I have just a little bit of a section left. I have about 14 braids left to do, and I'm super excited with how it's turning out. It's so pretty, and I love the way the colorway looks, so I'm just going to turn it on and show you that. But yeah, just look how it's looking. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all one more time how to do the feed in. I already prepped it, and so I'm taking my 3 pieces. Like so. I'm going to start braiding them. I'll take my piece and add it underneath. Take my next piece. And take my next piece. And then it's really good.
You guys, and I have extremely dry skin, and since then I've been trying to work on that because it's not okay. Number one, my skin was looking like it was about to crack open, and it was just not cute. I can't continue going on like that. So I went in for some old school, big guns. It never fails me.
I'm going to show you one last time on this last braid how I do the process, because I just want to give you ample opportunity to learn. I'm just putting gel on the base so that it grips well. I'm dividing with these sections. I'm going to start braiding. I'm taking them out and holding them up, then braiding down so they don't get into the braid. So bring it down a little bit more, and there you have it. Beyonce, Beyonce, Shakira, Shakira, kiss me and love me, you beautiful liar. Okay, so obviously I love my hair so much and it's so beautiful, and I honestly and truly feel like Queen Bee because she started this trend, and I'm here to say that black girls look bomb in blonde. Whew. Y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning into my video. I really hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, anything at all, please comment down below. DM me on Instagram. Girl, you know I love to read y'all's DMs, and I love to know that y'all watch my video. So tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends, tell their aunties, uncles, and cousins, and don't forget your grandparents to come and subscribe to my channel and check me out because I'm cute and I do some bomb ass hair. Okay guys, I love y'all so much. Thank you for tuning into my video, and I'll see you next time, and hopefully next time I won't be so dry. Bye. And when I say dry, I'm not talking about this personality, honey. I'm talking about my skin. I can't get too low now. Don't got no pants on. But honey, who are you talking to? Please, talk to me nice. Y'all are not ready for this hair. Y'all are not ready. I am bomb as fuck. That's all I have to say, and that's on period. Do y'all see the y'all? I don't know. Oh, girl.